There are a few distinctive candles that you can immediately discern upon the first whiff. The harmony of scents take you on a journey. Location and feeling is entirely dependent on the fragrance each candle produces. In today's video, I'll be reviewing Jo Malone's Peony and Blush Suede. The website description says it best. Fill the room with the opulence of an English ballroom adorned with peonies in full bloom. The rich textures shimmering in the candlelight. Jo Malone founded the luxury candle company in 1990, and it has become synonymous with British style. The candles are crafted in the British countryside. The box and packaging comes equipped and ready for gift giving. Each one of these candles comes in the signature box with a ribbon. I unfortunately misplaced the ribbon somewhere when I was unboxing this. This is a close-up of the box. You have the Jo Malone name. It says London. It's a two-toned box. It's very luxurious, sleek, and it has that elegant feeling to it. This is the back. Be sure not to drop the candle. It's cased with a bunch of black tissue paper, so it makes the candle stand out. And has instructions of how to treat your candle and to maintain the best burn. So let me take this out. The candle itself is impeccably packaged. It has a ribbon on top and the sticker that surrounds the top and sides of the jar itself. And this is the close-up of it. So this reads, Jo Malone London Peony Blush Suede Scented Candle Bougie Parfumé. Signature glass design is aesthetically pleasing, so you know I'll be reusing this after I'm done burning the candle. According to the website, the burn time is 45 hours. The Peony and Blush Suede gives off a delicate fragrance, and it's of blooming peonies, soft blush suede. Exact breakdown of the scents are, and I'll list it on the screen. The top notes are red apple, the middle is peony, and the base is suede. With any candle, and I'm sure the instructions say this, you want to let it burn for at least 2 to 3 hours so the entire surface is covered with liquid. What this does in totality is prevents that dipping action where you get a well around the wick, and it just prevents an effective burn the next time you use it. I feel like candles are such a luxurious treat, and we don't often get to treat ourselves as we should. Oh, it smells so good. I've moved it from a horizontal to vertical position numerous times, and as you can tell, the wax has been affected by that. I plan on using this very soon now that fall and winter is approaching. I need to close this or I'll continue sniffing this for the remaining duration of this video. This is a luxury fragrance and candle. You are paying a premium on it. This one was $82, and yes, I know it is quite a lot for a candle, but this gives you the opportunity to relax and just indulge in something that you often don't get to. I don't know who else is like this, but there are certain things that I reserve specifically for special occasions, for a new job, a promotion, graduation, but I don't use those specific things until there's a reason to celebrate. Tomorrow is never promised. Honestly, we should be treating ourselves with the utmost luxury whenever we can, and if we already have it, why not take advantage of it? Why are we saving it for an occasion when we should be celebrating everyday life? That was an entire tangent that I won't go into in this video, but if you have this fragrance, let me know how you've enjoyed it. If there are other Jo Malone fragrances and candles you think I should check out, also let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.